Hello, welcome to Virgo, Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates, guys. Bali, hindi ito mag-resonate sa lahat kasi unfortunately, hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. But anyway, kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, research mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And then, nagbibigay ako ng astrological reading, guys. Or astrology compatibility reading. Doon sa sa TikTok shop ko. I-check mo na lang yung Evil Eye na may kasamang astrological reading or yung compatibility reading. So, yeah. Anyway, let's start. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Hindi to para sa lahat, guys, ha. Two of Wands is here, Death and the Moon. At the bottom of the deck, Judgment. Okay. I really do like this, no? Kasi, might be ngayon, may mga plano ka na eh. May mga iniisip ka na parang gusto ko to, gagawin ko to, etc. Ganyan. But, with the Death card, either you are waiting for an ending na mangyari muna bago mo gawin itong mga gusto mong gawain. Okay? Or yung plano mo. Maybe for now, hinihintay mo tong ending na to. Or maybe, there's an ending na nangyayari din sa'yo ngayon. And then, hindi ka nagmamadali regarding these Two of Wands. Itong plano mo na to. So, nakikita natin, might be, hindi ka kasi ganyan dati. Maybe in the past, you are the kind of person who rush things, no? Pag gusto mo, no? Pag may gusto kang gawain or, you know, I feel like pag may iginiit ka. And that was you before. Pero ngayon, medyo, lalo na with the Judgment, ayan. Oh, wow. Nine of Wands and the Star. The Star and the Moon, nandito sa ilalim. So, makikita natin na parang, nag-iisip ka muna bago ka pumasok sa isang sitwasyon. Nag-iisip ka muna bago ka, mag-start na naman ng something na parang hindi ka sigurado at all. Kasi maybe in the past, you do love taking risks. And ngayon, hindi na. Nandito ka na sa parang naka-align ka sa, wait lang, isipin ko muna. Wait lang, ayoko magmadali, etc. The Judgment is here, so you are kind of like nagising ka na or natuto ka na. You do have here the Moon, so I'm so also seeing here na parang hindi ka na nag-share ng mga ideas mo, thoughts mo, kung kani-kanino. Nine of Wands kasi maybe it would create a lot of challenges, problema, etc. The Star is here, so I feel like pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo, no? For now, dito sa mga taong maybe makuha yung ideas mo or what, and yeah, but anyway, this is your energy. Kung naman yung nag-e-end ngayon, I'm feeling like maybe an ending regarding a connection with something or someone. Ayan, detachment yung nakikita natin sa iyo ngayon. Then, inaalis mo yung sarili mo from attaching yourself dito sa mga taong ito. And maybe, it is helping you na mag-grow then and mas makapag-focus sa ibang bagay. Okay? Maybe, there's a particular friend na pwedeng, hindi, ayoko na masyado mag-focus dito sa taong to, etc. Kailangan ko mag-focus sa sarili ko, sa plano ko, etc. And that is you. Now, mag-focus tayo sa energy ng person na kakonect mo. Who is this person that you're dealing with for the sign of, anong tawag dito? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Sorry, medyo nawawala-wala ako sa sarili ko. But anyway, sino tong person nakakonect mo? Tawa lang ako. Pa-comment ako guys sa baba ha. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay kasi yun sa akin. Nagpapakita yun ng suporta, ayan, pagmamahal, at saka nagaganaan ako mag-reading pag may mga comment. Three of Wands is here. King of Pentacles. Okay, this person, wow. Wait lang. Oh my gosh. Ang tagal ko nang ginagamit itong card na to. Ngayon ko lang napansin, guys. There's two of wands. Dalawang two of wands pala dito sa deck na to. And it's the same deck, oh. Wait lang. Medyo madilim siya. Ayan. But there's two different message. Oh, diba? It's the two of wands. Tapos meron ding two of wands dito. Eh, ang tagal ko na pong ginagamit itong deck. Ngayon ko lang napansin na may dalawa pala siyang two of wands but different pictures ang nakalagay. Okay. O, sige. Hindi ko naman siya tatanggalin na kasi I feel like dapat talaga. Kumbaga, ang weird, no? Anyway. Kasi supposed to be isa lang talaga ang two of wands sa deck. May mga decks talaga na nagdodoble siya. Pero pareho yung picture. And I don't know if that's extra or whatsoever. No? Hindi ko alam kung extra ba yun. But there's this particular deck. Hindi ko of course, hindi ko naman memorize yung mga picture nito agad-agad. But anyway, that's weird. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita. Okay. And this is the Three of Wands. Okay, and the King of Pentacles. Sinisigurado ka pa, binabasa ko pang maigi if this is really Two of Wands and the other one is Two of Wands din. Kasi baka na-visualize ko lang or iba ang nakasulat. Tapos iba yung nagpapakita sa akin. Sinusure ko pa kasi hindi ako makapaniwala, guys. Wait lang. Yusin natin yung ilaw. Ayan. Ngayon, this is rare. Sabihin na natin, yung connection ninyo is rare. Katulad ng pagpapakita ng cards na ito, which is, this is very rare. No? Dahil sa dami kong cards, ngayon lang to nangyari. And this could signify na yung connection mo with this person could be also rare. Unlike other connections, na meron ka or connections in the past. And so as this person, ramdam niya yung rarity nitong connection ninyo. Hindi lang ikaw nakakaramdam na parang rare yung connection ninyo. Also your person. Pwedeng malayo siya sa'yo. I can see distance between the two of you. But this person is actually thinking of you. Pwedeng distance because of career. Nakakita tayo niyan. With the King of Pentacles. Pwedeng kuno-kuno focus siya sa pera niya, sa career niya, you know. And Three of Wands, may plano tong person nito eh. So, meron ka rin plano. This person is missing you, but I feel like hindi lang basta namimiss. Ito yung tipo ng tao na pag namimiss kita, gagawa ko ng action pag namimiss kita. Diba? And, kumbaga, kung tatawag ako kasi namimiss kita. Parang ganun. Kung magme-message ako sa'yo kasi namimiss kita. That kind of energy. And the Two of Wands is here. So, you are more like yung person mo pala. Sorry, nandito tayo sa side ng person. Alam mo, pareho yung energy. I don't know if you're dealing with a twin flame or soulmate. But more like twin flame kasi pareho yung energy. Ayan. Ngayon, nasasabi ko ikaw. Kasi ang nararamdaman ko parang ikaw rin to. Guys, yung twin flame kasi is sharing the same soul. So, talagang nandun yung energy ng parang iisang tao lang. So, may plano siya. And yung plano niya, aaksyonan niya. Okay? And, I feel like this person is namimili na siya ngayon kung ano yung you know, maybe this person may mga options. let's say, other connections, no? So, namimili na siya regarding doon. Okay? Kasi, and I'm seeing someone na parang nagche-check ng mga properties or what. Anyway, I don't know if you're buying property or selling property. This could be your reading. Or thinking of buying a property. Ganyan. Or nagbebenta ng property. This could be your reading. Ano yung mga emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? I just want to know. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. 9 of Wands is here. Ito sa side mo to. Queen of Wands and the 9 of Wands. Okay. 8 of Pentacles. The Hermit and the 5 of Wands. Okay. Queen of Wands, I do feel like you are embracing right now yung mga insecurities mo. Kung ano yung mga pangit sa'yo, you are learning how to appreciate yourself. You're learning to, see yourself as someone who is so beautiful, babae man or lalaki. Kumbaga parang, pagtitingin ka sa harap ng salamin, maybe in the past you see yourself, ang pangit ko, ganito, ganyan. Nakikita mo yung mga kapangitan sa sarili mo. But now, you are like, bakit? Kahit anong itsura ko, at I feel beautiful. Bakit? This is me. Diba? May confidence sa'yo eh. And I feel like, the people around you, and also this person, ina-admire ka nila because of that confidence. No? Na ipapakita mo yung confidence mo. And they admire you kasi kaya mong dalhin ang sarili mo. Okay. Let's say you are medyo chubby-chubby, sabihin na natin ganon. Or medyo, yung ano ba mga insecurities. But anyway, you know your insecurities. Or let's say sabihin na natin chubby-chubby, no? Pero, inaccept mo yon, tinanggap mo yon, and you feel like, hindi, strength ko to, bakit? Diba? Chubby is the new pretty ngayon. Diba? Sa henerasyon natin ngayon, parang yung mas malaman, mas magandang tignan. And then, natutunan mo paano dalhin yon. And then, this is more like self-love. The Queen of Wands, I don't know, this is a person na parang feeling proud sa sarili. And this is a person who, in a way, parang you don't long for this person anymore. Parang hindi mo na siya hinahanap, hindi mo siya kailangan, etc. With the 9 of Wands, part of you is parang nayayamot or naiinis dito sa person na to, or maybe sa connection ninyo. Or sa ibang taong involved, if there is. But, definitely, kumbaga, if ever itong person na to ay alam mo yung ibang connections niya, iniisip mo na parang, ay, bakit ba? Ang laking layo naman, ang laking layo ko dyan, ha? Sabi nga. So, parang hindi ka nati-threaten, or wala kang pakialam kung siya ay kumonek sa iba kasi, hello, you're rare. Diba? Alam mo, rare ka. And siya yung kawalan niya kung hindi ka niya papansinin or whatsoever. So, this is you valuing yourself. Okay? And then, yung person na ito with the 8 of Pentacles, he or she is doing everything right now pagdating sa pera. Ayan. Ginagawa niya lahat. This person could be overworking or, nagpapabibo sa trabaho. I don't know why. And actually, itong person ito gusto niya ng attention from you. Okay? The Hermit and the Five of Wands, I feel like there's challenges ngayon. Okay, may mga challenges ngayon dito sa person na ito. And maybe you find this person attractive. Tingin mo sa kanya attractive. Pero deep inside, itong person na ito, marami siyang insecurities. And you would know na insecure siya. Especially, I see financial insecurities, no? You would know na itong person na ito is insecure siya financially. Dahil, kaya siya nagpapaka-overwork eh. Kaya siya nagfo-focus sa sabi niya, busy siya, ganito, ganyan. And it is because gusto niyang maabot kung ano yung mga bagay na naabot mo. So it feels like medyo sa level ninyo, mas marami kang pera, pwedeng ganun, or mas magaling ka sa kanya. And you know, the Queen of Wands is a queen. Diba? You're the queen. Ano yung person na ito? Look at the person here. It's a person who lives an ordinary life. No, actually, hindi lang ordinary life yan. This is a person who works on a, you know, nightclub, like gay bar kind of picture na makikita mo dito, no? And yun yung person na parang gagawin ko lahat para kumita. Ang kind of energy. The Hermit is here. So, yan. As you can see, there's a person traveling. Nakaupo siya sa, hindi ko alam kung clear dyan sa picture or sa video. Ayan. Para siyang nasa loob ng train. Ayan. So, ang pinaka-transformation, transportation na ginagamit niya is via train. So, hindi ko naman sinabing sumasakay ng train yung person mo. But rather, nakikita mo yung pamumuhay. And if you're not familiar dito sa picture na to, Queen of Wands, this is actually a princess sa, nakalimutan ko na kung saan, but it's like, nakita ko siya minsan sa trivia, na parang ito yung wands, nung kapanahunan niya, no? Siya yung pinakamagandang prinsesa. And marami siyang admirers that time. And that is how you see yourself. Like, you see yourself is special. 'Di ba? And a lot of people likes you. Alam mo yan, gusto ka na ibang tao. Marami nakapila sa iyo ngayon. If ever you would open yourself pagdating sa love, pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, pakikipag-flirt, etc. Marami nakapila sa iyo ngayon. And maybe wala kang pakialam, or maybe hindi mo ino-open ang sarili mo, etc. You know? And you do have here the Eight of Wands. This is like shocking truth. Whatever this shocking truth, ano man tong nakakagulat na katotohanan na ito, Justice card is here. Or maybe something to do with you. Kung ano man itong something na na-reveal mo, ipinakita mo dito sa person na ito. Or nakita niya sa'yo, maybe through social media or whatsoever. Nagiging dahilan ito para itong person na ito maghabol or bumalik, etc. Yeah, especially the Three of Cups is here. This person wants to come back. This Three of Cups wants to be happy. Gusto niyang makapag-reconcile because parang feeling niya there's something special about you, no? Dahil dito sa nakita niya na ito. And the Ten of Wands, this person really do loves you a lot. There's a lot of passion sa taong ito. And you don't care. Yung energy mo, wala kang pakialam. You don't care because what you care about now is your privacy, security, you know. Yung kumbaga ano man yung mga bagay na you would feel at home and happy. Yan. And at least kalmado at peace ka. At peace. You want peacefulness sa paligid mo. And that is what you are, you know, focusing right now. Yung at least nasa comfort zone ka or whatever. At saka yung energy, parang nawalan ka ng gana sa kanya. Parang ganun. Parang Hindi ka ganyan, kumbaga hindi ka ganyan dati, maybe hindi mo nakilala yung sarili mo ngayon. Dahil might be hindi ka naman ganyan dati sa kanya. Malingan natin. What will happen in the future for the both of you, for this connection? What will happen in the future for the both of you? And this connection, please. Spirit guys, angel guys, for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. In the near future for the sign of Virgo, oh yeah. Yung iba sa inyo may mga realization. You do have here the Chariot. Okay, I do like your energy. The Chariot, the Eight of Cups. Isang card pa. Okay. Ten of Swords, yan. How about sa side ng person mo? Wait lang, guys. You do have here the Two of Swords, Four of Swords, the Hierophant, the Fool. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the... Walang parang nalalabuan ako sa aking camera ngayon or siguro sa ilaw lang. Anyway. Bottom of the deck is the Hanged Man. Wheel of Fortune. The World. Okay, Five of Pentacles. The Emperor. Oh, wow. Knight of Swords. Actually, this is you. This is you. With the Knight of Swords. The Chariot, nakikita natin yung pag-alis mo or pag-iwas mo sa connection na ito in the future. Pag-alis, pag-iwas kasi gusto mo maging masaya. You want to focus on money, you want to focus on happiness, you want to focus on the direction we're in. You know, I can see the Saturn here, planet of Saturn dito sa picture na to. You know, the planet of Saturn is about the planet of time, borders, 'di ba? Structure, authority, yan. At saka limitation, yan. Anyway, the planet of Saturn might be nilalagyan mo ng limitasyon or ng borders itong connection mo with this person. You're being the authority here. Especially nakita ko kanina dito yung the Emperor. And naramdaman ko yung energy mo. Yeah, this is you, the Emperor. You are being the authority dito sa connection na ito. Might be kasi in the past, siya yung may hawak nung connection ninyo eh. Parang kung magtutuloy itong connection na ito, nasa sa kanya. Parang ganun. And kung hindi siya magpaparamdam, hindi siya magpaparamdam. Parang ganun. If you are nasa friendzone kayo. Kasi siya yung may hawak eh. Nagigets mo. Siya yung may hawak ng connection ninyo in the past. But now, you are this person na parang hindi. Ako ang maghahawak kasi I mean, it's time to let go. It's time for me na to take over my life. It's time for me to, you know, Ten of Swords, this is some kind of ending na parang ini-end mo na yung mga bagay na parang nagpapagulo sa isipan mo, and maybe that includes this person. Kung makikita mo dito with the Eight of Cups, there's like toilet bowl, and then nandun yung may mga itinatapon doon, so that is the energy of you discarding or pagto-throw away, pagtatanggal, maybe memories with regards to this person. Okay? Natanggal mo or tinatapos mo because you want to be happy. And you deserve happiness. And also the number is number 7 right here. So, number 7, hindi naman siya complete changes na ginagawa mo, but rather may mga hakbang ka ng ginagawa. Ngayon, changes pa rin siya kung masasabi, pero hindi man siya ganun kalaki pa. But you are, you know, nandun ka na sa starting line wherein you are more focused sa I mean, you're still long for partnership. I do see you na gusto mo pa rin ng partnership. Pero you want a partner na may aggression. You want a partner na may decision. You want a partner na matutulungan ka sa growth mo. You want a partner who is optimistic. You don't want a partner na parang gato ganyan. You blah blah blah. Parang maraming sinasabi or hindi maintindihan. Ayaw mo ng ganun. And you are already walking away from this person in the future. No? Dahil maybe you have learned how to value yourself. Natutunan mo kung paano pahalagahan ang sarili mo. Ang ganda ng energy mo na. Ang ganda ng ng message actually. For the side of your person, you do have here the Two of Swords. Yan. Two of Swords, Four of Swords, the Hierophant, the Fool. Yan, dalawang major arcana. Two of Swords. Okay. Akala ng person na ito, actually in the future, akala niya, okay lang siya. Okay lang ako kahit wala ka, ganun. Kahit wala itong mga taong ito. Parang, this person is mataas ang ego. This person is, in the future, is parang, akala niya kaya niya yung sarili niya. But technically, the Four of Swords is here. Alam niya sa sarili niya kung ano yung mga katoksika na nasa paligid niya. And I feel like, mararamdaman niya lalo yun in the future. Mararamdaman niya yun lalo. And the universe will be very creative. Magiging creative ang universe kung paano niya ipaparamdam dito sa taong to that nagkamali ka. Parang ganon. Nagkamali ka ng desisyon, the universe will do its best para maiparamdam sa person na ito na parang namali ka ng direksyon. Ayan, nasa toxic kang kalagayan ngayon kasi desisyon mo yan. And your person will feel that. Will feel that. And you do have here the Hierophant. So, alam mo, the Hierophant is a teacher eh. You could be a teacher, or your person could be a teacher, but anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. Pero what it means to say is that a teacher, nagtuturo siya ng leksyon sa buhay. And the way I see this in the future, talagang marirealize ng person mo, nagkamali siya. Kasi nga, yung universe na mismo, hindi mo na kailangan ipamukha sa person mo ay nagkamali ka ng desisyon. Kasi yung universe na magpaparamdam sa kanya, na mali talaga yung desisyon na napili mo. The Fool is here. The Fool is here. I feel like this person, wala na siyang ibang patutunguhan, kundi ang pabalik eh. You know what I mean? Wala na siyang ibang mapupuntahan, kundi ang pabalik. And I feel like, the Hangman and the Wheel of Fortune, especially kung ikaw ito nahintay ka ng hintay dito sa person mo, etc. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay. The world is here. Sabi ko nga, the universe will give this person back to you. Marirealize niya yung mga kakulangan niya, yung mga mali sa kanya, and hindi mo na kailangan ipakita kasi this person will see actually kung ano itong mga pagbabago mo. The Knight of Swords, this is you, and the Emperor, may mga pagbabago kang gagawin sa sarili mo. If not that pagbabago is hindi mo pa ginagawa ngayon, soon enough gagawin mo itong mga pagbabago na to. Even for some of you, pwedeng may kinalaman sa health. Yung iba, may kinalaman sa itsura. Yan, maybe I can see you being more attractive in the future. Kung ano ka ngayon, mas maigaganda ka pa, mas may, mas may ikaka-glow up ka pa. And makikita yun ng person mo kahit hindi mo ipamukha sa kanya, kahit hindi mo ipakita sa kanya. Gagawa ang paraan ng universe na makita niya yun. And isa yun sa way para ipakita ng universe sa kanya na, oy, nagkamali ka talaga ng desisyon. Ito dapat, Parang ganun. And anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.